Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the York Nordic Ultralight Folding Walking Poles, the ultimate travel companion for hiking enthusiasts. These adjustable two-piece folding poles collapse to just 13.5 inches and weigh less than 11 ounces each, making them the perfect gift for the travel lover in your life. With the innovative Traveler Dual Grip feature, you can easily swap between Trek and Nordic grips to match your adventure's terrain and conditions. Designed for those 5 feet 3 inches and shorter, the X-Short size adjusts from 75 centimeters to 95 centimeters, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique body proportions. Crafted from high-quality aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum with a tungsten steel tip, these poles offer superior stability and support up to 250 pounds, outperforming carbon fiber alternatives. Each set includes 2 Trek poles, detachable rubber feet, snow baskets, and a complimentary black nylon travel bag, all backed by York Nordic's exceptional customer service and a 5-year warranty. Join us in embracing the great outdoors with confidence and style, thanks to York Nordic's dedication to quality and passion for walking and hiking. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.